How to fix Facebook login problem in Gameloop. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. And here when you found Facebook, you have to click on it. Now scroll down and click on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop and click also OK. And now what you should do, go to this option appear on top, you have to disallow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.